Okay, welcome back. What we want to look at today is converting Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. Converting Fahrenheit to Celsius and vice versa. The formula for finding degrees Fahrenheit: F equals 9 times C divided by 5 plus 32. And this is the formula for finding Fahrenheit when you have degrees Celsius. Okay. Now just pan back a bit. And here we have also again to transpose for Celsius. C equals F minus 32 divided by 9 multiplied by 5. Okay? And that will give us degrees Celsius when we have been given Fahrenheit. Okay? So, we just make sure that we have this in full view. Okay? Pan back a bit, everything should be in view. Okay? Thank you. Good. Okay, and go up a little bit, make sure that we have everything covered. Okay, and what I've done here is to do a little example. Sorry, okay, and I hope not this you can see this. Okay, so I want to find degrees Fahrenheit when I have been given 10 degrees Celsius. So F equals 9 times C divided by 5 plus 32. So therefore equals 9 times 10 divided by 5 plus 32 equals 90 divided by 5 plus 32 equals 18 plus 32 equals 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, and 50 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Okay, just to make sure that you can see. Okay, thank you. And I'm just going to finalize that. Okay, thank you. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye.